If stiff joints or persistent discomfort are keeping you from enjoying your favorite activities, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Helen, and today I want to share everything you need to know about a product that promises to support your joint health, mobility, and overall comfort as you age. It's called Advanced Joint Support. But before we dive into how it works and whether I believe it's worth it, a quick but important warning. Advanced Joint Support is only sold through the official website. To protect yourself from imitations or scams, I've left the official link in the video description and the pinned comment below. So, what exactly is Advanced Joint Support? According to my research, Advanced Joint Support is a doctor-formulated supplement designed to relieve joint pain, support healthy cartilage, and improve flexibility, without harsh chemicals or risky procedures. It contains a powerful blend of natural ingredients, including a special cucumber extract that, in clinical studies, reduced joint discomfort by an impressive 70%. It also includes boswellia, white willow bark, and turmeric, all known for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Together, these ingredients help soothe sore joints, reduce stiffness, and restore comfort in your knees, hips, back, and hands. Who is it for? Advanced Joint Support is perfect for men and women over 40, or anyone tired of waking up with stiff joints, needing extra support during daily movements, or simply wanting to age with more comfort and mobility. Whether you're active, recovering from joint strain, or just want to maintain your freedom of movement, this supplement can help bring relief naturally and effectively. How to use it. Using Advanced Joint Support is simple. Just take the recommended dose of capsules daily with water. It's been formulated for fast absorption. Make sure to take it consistently to achieve the best and fastest possible results. Now let's talk about the guarantee, and this was one of the things that impressed me the most. You get a generous money-back guarantee. That means you can try Advanced Joint Support completely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, even if you've used all the bottles, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. And here's a tip. The 6-bottle package offers the best value. It includes free shipping and gives you the lowest price per bottle. What sets it apart from its competitors? Advanced Joint Support stands out for its unique and clinically proven formula that targets the enzymes responsible for damaging cartilage. According to studies conducted by Advanced Bionutritionals, this can lead to up to a 70% reduction in joint pain. While many traditional supplements offer limited and slow results, Advanced Joint Support works more efficiently, providing fast and lasting relief. After reviewing all the details, I'm confident that Advanced Joint Support is a reliable and natural solution for anyone struggling with joint discomfort or looking to protect their mobility as they age. Its unique formula, clinically backed ingredients, and satisfaction guarantee make it a smart and safe choice. Just remember, consistency is key. Take it daily and give your joints the care they truly deserve. Don't forget to check out the official link in the description and pinned comment to ensure you're getting the authentic product. I hope this video helped clarify your doubts. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.